So we stretch to prepare the muscle for exercise, and we also stretch to maintain muscle health and mobility and flexibility. We're going to talk about the two types of stretching, dynamic and static. We're going to run through 3 dynamic stretches that you would ideally do before exercise. Okay, so the first dynamic stretch we're going to do is some scoops. So scoops are really straightforward. You can do them walking or you could do them on the spot. So we're going to do them on the spot. And there we go, nice straight leg, brushing either side of the foot. Okay, the second dynamic stretch we're going to do that you would perform before exercise is toe taps. So you just want to demonstrate this one, a little bit more advanced. So you're looking for keeping the legs straight and touching your toes with your fingertips. Now if you can't touch your toes with your fingertips, fine, just as close as you can. So again, you're getting that range of motion on your muscle. Okay, and the final one we're going to do is leg swings. Okay, and this is a really good one for activating the muscles. Okay, so you start low and then you just build up and build up and build up. Okay, and the other way, with all these stretches, do it on both sides, both legs. You come back, it's important to do a bit more stretching, not long, just a little bit more stretching, and this time it's going to be static stretching. Okay, so this will really help your muscle health and mobility. Okay, so the first static stretch we're going to look at is the calf stretch. So if Katrin just demonstrates, nice straight leg, and you should feel a nice pull in the calf, and you just stretch that gently. The key here is to hold it for 10 seconds. Okay, second static stretch we're going to look at is the inside leg. So if Katrin wants to demonstrate, so that leg bent slightly, this leg nice and straight, and you should be able to feel a good stretch on the inside. Again, 10 seconds. Okay, and then the final one we're going to do is a sit-in hamstring stretch. Okay, so again, legs straight, feet together, toes pointed up, and you just reach and touch them with your toes. Again, if you can't touch your toes, as close as you can,